Hello everybody. Here in Missouri, it's fall and that means it's black walnut season. And when it's black walnut season, you pick them up off the ground and you take them to the huller and go get some money for all your hard work. And I know 3 very special young men that did so. My son Dakota, my nephews Payton and Parker. Let's see how much they have earned for all their hard work. We're waiting here for Grandma and them because they took a wrong turn. Grandma and Grandpa finally are here. Now it's time to back the trailer up and get to work. $16 per 100 pound. That's wow.
The sides because it kept falling in and knocked my chain off, so
that's a good idea.
We put these sides on. The only time the green ones just get stuck in and it'll just come right through here, and that tub catches about 85% of it. Awesome. So we're not bending over and picking up so much here.
Okay, it don't matter.
Okay.
But
Hold
don't
on there,
put
let
them
me
in till
get
you get
back.
Now you guys don't want too much in there at a time, do you?
You can.
That's gonna be closer now.
No, we'll
You-
get them there.
You just gotta watch this corner. You can just kind of keep watching. If they
Okay.
start rolling down too much, just kind of slow down.
Slow
Other
down.
than that,
Okay.
it'll do pretty good.
Okay.
I'm gonna go find another tub. I think I got one in the barn to put
put
under
under
there.
there,
Yeah.
okay.
So
Yeah, you'll need a tub there.
I'll go get one as soon as
Okay.
we get this fired up.
And I'll
Go ahead.
There's a smaller shovel in the
smell
back of
good.
the truck. The what? There's a smaller shovel in the
He's
back
got
of the
it.
truck. No, there's even
No,
smaller.
I like this one.
Feel it, Jen. Feel your muscle. Oh yeah.
K.O.
417 pounds.
He'll show you where to sign your name at, okay?
It must have built my muscles up.
Awesome.
30 pounds of walnuts.
How much?
$70.
right there.
70.
money.
That's how much I have in my wallet.
How many pounds Australian?
417.
You forgot to put where you're from, Mansfield.
You know your time pretty well.
Alrighty. Go get your check. Yeah.
Payton, you're the baker, man.
Do you know what walnut nuts are? You can actually use those.
Well, those are
Eat
for
those.
eating.
You can eat those.
Yeah.
One time Miss Harris she opened up a walnut nut and I didn't like it. It tasted like toenails.
Yeah, I don't like walnuts
It
either.
tasted like nail polish.
I don't like the black walnuts either, but a lot of people do, and they do the hard shell for makeup, and then do they stain for the? They may that make a good.
Stain too, I think.
Yeah, make good walnut
Do
stain.
sandblasting with it too.
This would make a good paint.
We did all this work.
This would make a
Look at
good
that.
We
paint.
made $70 from walnuts.
$70, hey,
Well, it's around that.
round. So that's good though.
Round it off.
$16 per 100. That's a lot for this year.
Thank you guys.
How much was it, Payton? Hey,
Payton.
hold up the check.
$6.72.
$66 times 3.
Okay.
Wow, you guys did awesome.
$66. So, have the money. Who would, how much would
That's
Arthur make?
that's like $22 a piece and some change.
No, $22.
Yep, just round it to $22.
Yes.
Dakota, you guys need to run because
Thank you.
Mom. Ladies.
Yes. We'll go to the bank. Payton's got the check in his hands, getting ready to cash it at the bank. Payton sure loves to be in control of the money.
Guess what? I graduated high school. It's a joke. It's a good one.
I'm off to Hawaii, everybody. See ya.